gonna work or not. Purchase this on eBay. Leather restore, leather color repair. We're gonna see if this is actually gonna fix it. It's got a lot of good reviews, and it says to apply with a sponge. This is what it looks like right there, and over here it looks pretty good. But we're gonna try to repair this with this and see if it works. It says to apply with a lint-free sponge. I've got this sponge, obviously lint-free. We're gonna try to apply it and see what happens. Let's see if this gets repaired. Let me try to zoom you guys in closer on the area we're gonna work on. I hope this works for everybody's sake. Because who wants to go buy a new couch? Not me. It looks like a really watery substance, so I'm gonna spill a little here and just see what happens real quick. Okay, so from what it looks like, it fills in those cracks, but how's it gonna hold up? That's a question. So, I mean, so far it looks like you're just painting it, so. I'll probably stop at this border line, if I could show you guys. You see where the stitching is right on the edge here? I'll probably stop right there to blend it in, because you don't want it to be noticeable either. I mean, I think it was like $10, so I guess for $10, it wouldn't be bad if it does the job. And even if I gotta buy 2 bottles, it'd still be worth it. I mean, you got a $3,000 couch here, so. Or $4,000 actually. So let's see, I'm just blending this in. This sponge was a little damp. It didn't say to do that, but it was so hard and rough, you know, the sponge that I found, to make this work. So hopefully this dries up good and doesn't bleed on people's clothing, I guess. I think you're... Let's see. I mean, from what it looks like, it's not 100% perfect yet, but it does look like it's doing the job, so I'm not gonna hate on the product yet. Not yet. So let's see. And how's it gonna hold up after a month? That's the question. But it did have a lot of good reviews, so that's why I went with it. I checked out the reviews. So it looks like one of these bottles might be able to do like maybe I'd say my guess about 20 square feet of leather, because it came a little, not empty, but it wasn't full to the top, that's for sure. So I'll stop right there. I'll hit all the little spots. But I will tell you right now, if it stays the way it looks right now, this is 1,000% better than it was. Let me just put this down and show you guys what's going on if I back up a little. So I'm gonna back up. It does look amazing. Really, really good. As long as it holds up and doesn't fade away. You'd think they put a good product on the market. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the couch and see what happens. So right now, pretty satisfying. I'm not gonna upload this video until I see how it goes for like a week or two. And then I'll upload it and let you guys know a week later. I don't know if you guys could really see these. Get down from there. That's. I hope you don't got paint on your feet. If you guys could see these scratches and what it's doing to it. Like I said, if this thing holds up, I'll buy 10 more bottles of this. You'll never have to buy a new leather couch again. So as long as they've made their product hold up, this is amazing. I'd give it a 10. Because what else is gonna make your leather turn like new again? I mean, just look at the before and after that I just started on. It's, you know, I'm impressed. 1 out of 10, I'll give it a 10. Kids can jump on the couch with their shoes all they want. I'll just fix it. They don't listen anyways, right? Yeah. Okay, so really amazing. Guys, really amazing look right now. I'm gonna let it dry and hopefully it holds up. I'm gonna let you know 7 days later is exactly when I'm gonna wait for this. This couch was ready to go in the trash just because of the scratches in this main area where everybody sits. Looks new again. Really amazing. So I really recommend it right now, but let's see what happens 15 days later, and it looks just as new as it did when I resurface this. So, yep, this stuff works. I mean, even if it lasts me 6 months, worst case scenario. But like I said, it feels like a vinyl. Even if it lasts 6 months and you do this twice a year for $10 a bottle, $10 a bottle will last you about 1 year if you had to redo it, anyways. But thing looks new. I'm not gonna get a new couch, so I'm pretty happy with this. So give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and that's definitely a good product, or other products just like it that you can fix leather. Just look for them on eBay. Put resurfaced leather, so it's worth a shot.